Welcome to HOO Basics. In today's video, we're unboxing the USW Pro Max. Inside the box, you'll find the rack mounting accessories, a power cable, and the unit. At the rear, you'll find the 100 to 240 volt socket, while the left side features the DC power backup slot. On the front, you'll find 2 ports of 10 GSFP plus 1.3-inch touchscreen, 16 ports of 1 GB ERJ45, 8 ports of 2.5 GB ERJ45, and a reset button located on the right. The initialization time is approximately 2 to 5 minutes before the device is ready for use. I created this video to give you an overview of this device before you make a purchase. Please follow for more videos and configuration tips about this UniFi devices. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more. Your support means a lot.